The host team tonight has been in the NHL for over 30 seasons and taken home 3 titles on the strength of defense and goaltending. Let's see if it works again tonight for the New Jersey Devils. Hi, everyone. He's Eddie Olczyk. Ray Ferraro will be coming along in just a moment, and I'm Mike Emmerich, and here we are again. It's back-to-back games, and so there hasn't been much time to rest. As a coach, how do you manage everything?
Well, it's very important that you use all 4 lines. You use your complement of 6 defensemen. I think it's also up to the players as well, Doc, to have short shifts. You can't get caught out there for a minute and a half or 2 minutes. You got to make sure you have discipline in your game, but that'll be a real key in the outcome of this game.
The Hurricanes are a veteran club, and they have been in these situations before many a times. There are no excuses. Everybody's got back-to-backs on their schedule. These second games and back-to-backs are difficult, but you got to gut it out and find a way to win this game.
And now we turn to the last lines of defense, the goalies. This man's the goalkeeper tonight. The book on him is that he can be rattled with an early goal. Let's see how he does tonight for the home team. In goal is Cam Ward. Rookie year in the NHL, he won 14 games in the regular season, 15 in the playoffs, including the last one for the Stanley Cup with Carolina in 2006, and he was playoff MVP. We have a thrilling evening of hockey ahead. And we're underway. I've been looking forward to this one. These teams have played a lot of times, and for that reason, this should be fierce.
The Hurricanes did a lot of things right in their last stretch of games, and they have to be pleased with this win streak they've strung together.
Puck is thrown to Hannafin. He's got that one. Let's see what happens. A shot. Wow, what a glove save.
That slight hesitation by the shooter allowed the goaltender to make a beautiful glove save.
Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. He's got that pass and can look ahead. Big hit there. These two teams have that reputation. I'll bet some more are coming. Gets in, looks over his options here. Score! And that is empty.
That's one to remember. Number 50 on the season. You got to think that puck's going to end up on his man.
Halstick was in a ready position to accept that puck and put it in as a one-timer.
Ward's done all he can here. The net is empty. He makes a heroic dive to get back to the play, but it slid into the net.
Play about to resume. You know, ever since Bobby Hull was the first guy to go past 50 in the NHL, 50 has just been sort of a magical number, and this guy has reached it. Whistle blown, play stopped. The referee will hand out a penalty. Carolina's roster goes down by 1 here. At least briefly, a minor penalty for hooking.
Well, what he was trying to do is trying to get the puck, but unfortunately for him, he reached in and hooked around the player. Off to the penalty box he goes.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. The Hurricanes get it off the faceoff. Angled in by Van Riemsdyk. The Devils have moved to the neutral zone. Gets across, looks over his options. Save. He's got that point pass. Shot into the pad. Receives that pass from the other side. Great save at the edge of the crease.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
The Devils wheel one ahead up the wing. It's dumped in. Pitching it to Moore. From the right side to the middle, right on his tape. He scores!
Grabner's slap shot had some heat on it.
Well, that's a beauty, Enzo. That ripples the top of the net. The goaltender's got to be able to stay on his feet as long as he can if he's going to be able to stop such a perfect shot.
New
New Jersey's collected another victory on the faceoff. Penalty call coming. Watch for his signal here. The Hurricanes have to sit for 2 minutes for high sticking.
You carry your stick around like that more times than not, you're going to end up in the box.
38 seconds.
New Jersey's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. The Devils win it. Let's it go. Score! A power play goal.
Power play, you can keep the puck to the outside, but at some point you got to get the puck to the middle of the ice. That's what they do, and they're rewarded with a power play goal.
Severson's able to clear open ice, and he lays a sweet saucer pass on the shooter's stick.
Just over 6 minutes have gone by. The Devils just keep building on that earlier lead. They're up now by 3. He gains the zone. To Jordan Staal. Up the wing skating with it now.
And by number 19.
Gathered up again by Palmieri.
Time of the goal. 6 minutes.
Pass off the woodwork to Williams. Pitch back into the offensive zone. Cut down on that rush. Seeks the corner. On to Jordan Staal. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. He covers and holds on. We have a winner. Lets it go. Propelled to Botman. New Jersey's got it and moving up the wing. Gathered up again by Fall. Takes it up near the boards. Points it. Lets it go. Great glove save.
Well, the hands are quicker than the glove. Great save.
The Devils want to generate something up the wing. Scorches one. The Devils have their goalie at the bench, and they've replaced him on this delayed call. And he missed the net.
Well, he worked himself into a real good scoring area.
Sticked away. They touch, and now the penalty. Carolina's got a 2-minute minor for slashing.
I'm not sure this is a slashing call. I think it was the reaction of the puck carrier that sold this call.
New Jersey's to the power play again, and they have rung in one already. Let's see if they get another. The Devils prevailing on the faceoff. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. Just over 8 minutes to go. New Jersey's widened the margin even more with that recent goal. They're up by 3.
This guy's found the back of the net twice already, Doc.
Oh, deflected away. To Zajac.
Zajac's passing in this game has been outstanding. He has 2 assists so far.
Shot on. Puck lost. He was bumped down to one knee. The Hurricanes love the puck in center ice. Finally on the dump in, a rest for the defense. Pass attempt to Hall. Wristed one. Score! He completes the hat trick.
He had that wrist shot ready to go in a perfect scoring area.
And so sometimes your best isn't enough. That is a perfect shot up over the glove hand. The goaltender just was not able to get to it.
Carolina's won that faceoff in the neutral zone. Into the attacking end. Using the point. He's got it.
Assisted by number 9.
Looking from the blue line. Shutout positioning by Mueller. Denied by the defense. Puck loose.
Time of the goal.
Terrific interception.
21 seconds.
The Hurricanes ready an attack back in the defensive zone. Enormous collision.
Well, we expected a physical game, Doc, and it looks like he's on a mission trying to set the tone for his team early in the first period.
New Jersey's getting 2 minutes for boarding.
These are the type of plays, Doc, that we want to eliminate from the game, where the attacking player has no chance to protect himself when getting hit from behind.
New Jersey's power play is so dangerous because it attacks in several different ways. It's not predictable at all. They should have a leg up on their opponent who doesn't have a very good power play, a power play that's hurt them more often than not throughout the season.
And he gains the zone. Slot shot. Score! A shorthanded goal.
Get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
That's a save a goaltender's got to make, Edzo. Low glove side, got to be able to catch that.
Goalie to the bench, substitution made.
Well, you can't pull the whole team, so you might as well pull the goaltender. He deserves a break here. He's getting pummeled in the net, as there is just no resistance against their opponent.
Just under 4 minutes remaining here in the first period. Do you think the ice is tilted in this one? Players are tumbling head over heels into the boards. Nice stand-up poke check there. Passing one off now to Lindholm. Into the end of attack. Takes a shot. And play stopped because the net is loose.
Time of the goal. 16 minutes, 18 seconds.
The Hurricanes with a face-off win. Play to be made now by Williams. Solid neutralized poke check. Wonderful chance was set up and the pass just goes wide. The Hurricanes, oh what a save. He brought his best shot and it got stopped. Snapping a pass to Stafford. Oh, he made him stumble. Nearing the final minute. Stepped off a wrist shot. Wonderful chance to score, but no.
In the first period.
Lets it go. Had it away. Got to clear it. Under a half minute. Hammered. That hit somebody. Directing that one to Zajac. Big drive. Terrific shot, but a denial. 20 minutes played in that first period, and a lot of goals scored, but just by one team. Hey, look now at the lopsided shot totals. An enormous 17 for the Devils and 5 for Carolina. The Hurricanes were counting on a tremendous performance in goal. They counted wrong. More in a moment. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What stuck out for you?
Carolina's lucky to still be in this game after the first period. They had turnover after turnover. I'm sure the coaches addressed that problem in the intermission.
Lets it go. A wonderful scoring chance denied. Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near him.
The Devils see the point streak extend again. An excellent game for him, not just defensively, but offensively as the points continue to come for him on a nightly basis.
Nice face-off work. Pitching this one to Williams. Nicely into the zone. Turned a shot on net. Great stick save. Moving it to Zajac. Hammers one. Ooh, stick save. Try to clear the puck. And now it's directed to Falk. Sends to the point. A shot. He scores.
The goaltender had no chance stopping that puck with the quick release.
Yeah, so that's a good shot, but the goaltender's got to stop this. This is low on the glove side. His hands have to be in position to cover just over the pad.
Just under 3 minutes played. The Devils, maybe not in a laugher, but at least a chuckle, 5-1. Played on to Lindholm. With a blast, he scores. That's 2 unanswered goals.
Thankfully, that shot did not hit the goaltender because that thing was labeled.
Sometimes your best isn't enough. This is a perfect shot up over a desperation attempted glove save.
Carolina's got that puck off the draw. Gains the blue line. Gives it over to the point. Broken stick, rotten luck. Around through the corner.
3 minutes, 21 seconds.
No way he's getting by there. Through the corner. Waits with it. Back to the blue line. Heading down low. Tremendous pressure. Outstanding save. Looking to Johansson. Mishandled thanks to the roadblock. Trying to go to DiGiuseppe. Slides it to the point. Lets it go. Big point-blank save there.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
There's a nice milestone for him. 100 career points. They've collected the puck for him, and it'll go at a place at home somewhere.
New Jersey's got a defensive zone win. The Devils with possession up the wing. Lets the shot fly. Score! They struck back fast, didn't they?
The shooter had a couple of different options here. He could pass or shoot. He decided on the latter and beat the goaltender clean.
Darling's not going to be able to stop this perfect shot up into the top of the net. If he's going to be able to do it, he's going to have to be more aggressive, get out farther in the net. Just a little bit too much room up top.
Over 7 minutes have transpired here in the second. You can see momentum in this game. It has shifted, and it is expanding even more. The advantage is 4 goals. On through the corner. Maroon's got it in the defensive zone, headed to center.
Time of the goal.
Gains the zone and looks over his options. Shoots. Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Covered up just to slow things down.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
Quick work on the faceoff. Had the goalie beat and glanced it off the post.
The guys are going to have some fun with this in the locker room after. They've already got the game in their back pocket, but this shot hits the pipe and stays out.
Good pass up the wing to Hall. Moved along and in. Didn't get through.
Carolina's been blown out almost from the very beginning of this game. Their effort has been poor. Their commitment to defense has been poor. They haven't driven the net. It's just been one of those terrible nights.
Got a piece of that one. Palmieri's carrying it back in his own end, hoping for neutral ice. Big drive. That's a great save. The Devils in their own end in possession as they travel. Gets in. What'll he do? On the delayed penalty, the save. And we get a penalty here. The referee strides over to hand it out. Carolina's got a 2-minute slashing penalty.
Back in the era of wood sticks, this would really hurt. That's a slash.
New Jersey's had such good power play numbers this season. Most of it as a result of the way they move and support the puck. Very unpredictable, makes it tough for the penalty killers to stymie them because they don't know where the next attack is coming from.
I sure do agree. Let's see if it comes true. Puck is thrown to Johansson. Gets in and he'll look over his options. Outstanding save with the glove.
Goalie gave him the glove side and he took it away. What a stop.
Under 6 minutes to go in the second. You can see momentum in this game. It has shifted, and it is expanding even more. The advantage is 4 goals. Puck loose because of that hit. Terrific save with a pad. He throws it there. Outstanding point-blank save.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Kincaid's able to handle this one. Pitching it to Zajac. It's an onside play. The Devils' power play let them down at a very important time.
Well, I guess that is the positive, that they killed this one off, guys, but it hasn't been a very good night for the penalty killers. They've been running around most of the evening.
Back in his defensive end to get it. Nice tip of the pass. Shoots one. Missed. Not a free puck now. Good job with the stick. Puck is grabbed. Terrific glove save. Puck covered. Whistle blown. The Hurricanes with a clean win on the draw. That is one solid keep, and play can continue. Got that pass off the boards. Gets that one on across. He scores! Second of the game. What a performance.
The lane was open to wrist the puck towards the net, and somehow it beat the goaltender.
And so it looks like he's in pretty good positioning here, but he's not able to get his glove low enough to snap this one up.
New Jersey's getting a larger and larger lead as the second period gets shorter and shorter, and a full third period and a chance to enlarge. Pass attempt to Hannafin. Nicely into the zone. Players tired, about to get a rest as we go late into the second period. Got a piece of it with the glove. And he steps across the line. Off his glove. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Kincaid's made a textbook stop here. He's in good shape positionally. He makes the save, and he makes it look really easy.
Tie up there and a good reach and possession. Passing one off now to Jordan Stahl. A shot. The second period has been played, and that's the fun part. We now look forward to the third. Time to look at the shots on goal. 32 for the Devils and 15 for Carolina.
The home team scores in the next 2 minutes.
The Devils are leading in the game. Here is the latest goal that got them a bigger lead. We'll return in just a moment. Third period about to begin. The rear view mirror will help us with the first two, and so will Edzo.
New Jersey's coaching staff, Doc, told us before the game they want to get off to a good start, and they have in a lot of areas, especially on the scoreboard. They are well in control of this game. Let's see how they play it the last 20.
One-timer. Terrific determination by Williams. Fires a shot. New Jersey's in their own end, hopefully shifting from defense to offense here. Onside. Hammers one. Solid glove save.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Clean win on the draw. Snapping a pass to Jordan Staal. Carolina's in possession as they travel up the wing. The Devils move toward the neutral zone. Corralled by Fall. Carolina's carrying it through center. He's in on an onside play. Directing that one to Palmieri. Hammered. Save. Collected by Taylor Hall. No team worth its name is going to let that go. Well, on the heels of that, it looks like we might have some war here.
Well, when you act like that, you better be ready to defend yourself.
Play is stopped. There is a signal. We just wanted to see who it is he's taking off.
He's calling both, Doc. He's got them both going to the box.
Both of these teams are a man short right now, so we get ready for another face-off. Carolina's won that face-off. The Hurricanes continue to probe up the wing. Shoots. Puck out in front. Those big pillows on his legs came in handy then. Gets in. What'll he do? Got that in the trapper.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Oh, you know he's happy, guys. He's sitting there on the bench. He's got a couple of goals in his back pocket already. But you know he's thinking about number 3. What an achievement that would be to bang in one more.
Defensive zone win. Pitching this one to Lindholm. Took that pass perfectly off the wing. Lets it go. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man.
Johansson's ailing, but he can't get off the ice. He's going to have to try and finish the shift.
Back to the point. Didn't drag it very well there. Loose puck. Marches on a cross. Fires it to the point. Walks the line. Collected at the boards. Looking for options. Skates out with it. Skates out with it. Collected in the corner. Shot. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Snaps a wrister. Outstanding save off a chance. He takes that pass right off the left wing. Got it at the point. Oh, deflected away. Makes that play deep. Zone to zone to Jordan Staal. Carries it to the corner. Takes that pass from the other point. Loose puck blocked off by Lovejoy. Chip to Palmieri. New Jersey's carrying it through center. Good shooting place. That one comes back. Goalie's allowed to handle this puck, and he does.
Hall's been an unstoppable force this evening. He's been all over the ice. He's had the puck most of the night, and his number is written all over the score sheet.
Whistle blown, puck to the bench, and that's out of play. Be fun if it weren't.
Johansson's laid it all out on the line. He was injured earlier in the shift, still had enough jam to get out and block the shot.
Zajac, just like his team, winning everything. And he dumps it in. Moving it to Palmieri. Ring 10 bells for that save. Gains the zone. Fires. That shot hit a man. And now it's directed to Fleury. Right off the left wing, it comes on through right on his stick. Big chance here. Masterful save. Stoned him cold. He usually scores on those. And here again is Ray.
Hall has been able to slice and dice his way through the defense most of the night. 3 goals, excellent shots, a prominent player this evening.
Ray, he's certainly one of the 3 stars in my book. Solid, clean win. 2 sticks together, they cancel. Looking to McGinn. Trying to go to Fleury. Puck is thrown to Falk. Gains the zone. Picks it up back there. Slid to Grabner. Zips. Oh, great cut. He picks it up. And he gains the zone. Lets it go. Save! Corralled by Van Riemsdyk. Gets in, looks over his options here. On to Dahlbeck. Great glove save, but it's loose. Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Broke it up well with the poke check. The Devils lug that along up the wing. Shoots one. Oh, a close call there.
You have to give yourself...
Oh, what a chance, what a save. Good, solid defense there. Score! He's got his second.
This is one shot I wish more young hockey players would use. Everybody wants to take the big slapper. It's not how hard you shoot it, it's how quick it comes off your stick. And that was quick.
The butterflies become a default position for the goaltender, Enzo. And while the shot is nice, he's down in that butterfly position way too quickly.
New Jersey's got another face-off win. Gets across, looks over his options. Muscled long to Van Riemsdyk. Lets it fly. Score! What a quick answer that was.
18 minutes, 19 seconds.
Van Riemsdyk's quick flick of the wrist put this puck in from the high slot.
Absolutely a great shot, Enzo, but the goaltender dropped down just a bit quick, left the top of the net exposed.
They've got the draw.
Scored by number 50.
He gains the zone. Blocked.
Assisted by number 6.
We are in the 60th minute out of 60.
Time of the goal, 19 minutes, 3 seconds.
Moves it to the corner. Pass cut. And they are in. The glove like lightning. The cast of characters keeps changing on this long homestand, and the fans hope that a bunch of W's can be strung together before it comes to a close. quick work on the faceoff. And he is reefed.
Williams really lays the wood to him there, Doc. That is a big hit, trying to spark his team as they've been a little dozy, and they need to get back to within striking distance.
Right to the point. Gives it to the point. Shooting. Got that. Tremendous scoring chance. Game over. New Jersey's recorded a victory, and that's another one in a row.
This team has been hot as of late. They're following their game plan. It's resulting in wins.
So ends another game and another telecast. We hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying good night.